This is Orlando Torres. He's a chicken farmer, and these are his chickens that he has out here in Northern California. We're up here on this mountaintop.
There's the chicken.
There's the chickens.
Yeah, there's the chicken.
How long have you had these chickens, Mr. Torres?
About 10 years.
Many years farming
Many
chickens.
They were a hand down from my dead uncle.
Oh my goodness.
He had about 100 more, and this is what's left.
And you're retired now, correct?
Oh, hell yeah.
Other than being a chicken farmer.
Feed the chickens and eat the chickens.
Eat the chickens
Anybody
too.
want a chicken to dinner? No, I don't think so. Call us at Chicken Farm 00500 Chicken.
All right, Mr. Chicken.